This is day 1 of our starter to make sourdough. To make our sourdough starter, we need 50 grams of organic flour. This time I'm using buckwheat, but you can use any plain flour and rye flour also. And we're gonna need 50 grams of water. So we need 50 grams of flour, just over the 60, that's fine. And 50 grams of water. I'm using a yogurt tub, so I don't have a glass container. So if you have a glass container, even better. And all we're gonna do is mix it up. There we go, so nice and gooey. We're gonna add just a little bit of more water just because we added more flour than the done. We're gonna leave this for 12 hours, just overnight on the counter. All right, let's see. This is day 2. There's already some bubbles forming. So we're gonna feed this with another 50 grams of flour, same buckwheat. There we go. And another 50 grams of water. We're going to stir it. And we leave this overnight. Okay, let's see. It's grown a little bit. Okay, so we have to throw out 100 and we're going to feed it with another 100. So let's see how that goes in here. Let's count it. Throw out 100 grams. Left with a little bit. Okay, so we threw away the 100 grams. It's not needed. And we're going to add 100 grams of flour into the mix. There we go. And 100 grams of water. Mix it and do the same thing. Leave it overnight. We're gonna discard 150 grams today. So here we go. Okay, so 100. Go. And guess what? 100 of water. So the mix is getting bigger and bigger every time. We mix and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, day 5. So it's looking bubbly. We're going to discard 200 today. Just check that this is done properly. Okay, so 200 we're getting rid of. Good. And we're going to add 150 of the buckwheat flour. Put some back. Too much in. 150 of water. And we stir it. See you tomorrow. Okay, let's have a look. It's looking better. It's bubbling away. There's some bubbles. And it smells again very vinegary. So we have to get rid of 250 today. It's quite a lot that we're getting rid of. We're left with this tiny bit here. And we're putting in 200 flour. And 200 of water. This is the last day, so tomorrow we'll be able to use our flour. Okay, and stir it all up. Okay, today is day 7 and it is definitely grown. Just give it a little turn. You see it bubbling away? This is perfect. This is ready for us to use and make nice sourdough bread.